likes the rain. Colorado beds. I said the dark, I call it fun. For I have my red rubber sun. They make a little tree to track in the soft cool mud. Quack, quack. I cried the dandelion. My roots are thirsty, my buds are dry. And she lifted a tousled yellow head out of her green and grassy bed. I hope it will pour. I hope it will pour. Part the street door at the great park door. For with a broad leaf for a roof, I am perfectly waterproof. Sang the blue, I laugh at every drops and wish they never need to drops. Little a big river on to I draw to be and could find my way to the sea. I shouted that I can run with my high top boots and raincoat on through every puddle and runlet and pool I find on the road to the school. Thank you.
Aeon Public School.